Hello, YouTube land, YouTube community, pretty much anything that has to do with YouTube. It's your boy DIY in the Ghetto. I'm back for another video. I'm decommissioning all these racks here. These two are going to go. This is one that's just going to remain. The one back there that has the old, that has the ASIC miners are going to go. The two servers up top there are still running. They're my backup servers at the moment. One's going back to my old hometown. The other one is going to be the backup server. But for now, I just wanted to show you what I'm going to be working on. This is the only shelving rack I'm going to be using. Everything else is pretty much going to go. I decommissioned most of this. Everything's turned off and ready to go to get out of here. So what I wanted to talk to you about is what is going to go on this rack here. Ow, that's going to be a surprise. But for now, I'll let your mind go. And you can think all you like. These two servers down here are going to go. So, you never know. If you know what's going to be on this rack, leave it down in a comment. And I'll let you know. But for now, that's about it. Have a good one, everybody. Oh, yes. I did put up new lighting here. We did have new lighting. We did have lighting put over here before. And now we're adding the same lighting over on this way. What this lighting here is, these are, if you know the new LED signs that are on in stores, they have this inside them. Basically, these are all-weather, white light LED lighting, and I'm using them in here because the old fluorescent lighting that wasn't here, well, not so good anymore. So I replaced them with this one, and I had them over here from before. I am going to be putting it over here very soon. I don't mind the mess over there. But I'm going to be putting them over here soon, but not right now. So I did finish this up. And it's not expensive as you think they are. I think for about 200 of these, see each section, each one of these, about 200 of them, that was about $40. So you count every three as one of them. So there's 200 total. It was like $40 to $60, I think, around there. Altogether, I think it was around $130 total, or $140 maybe. I'm not sure. I got to look it up, and I'll try to leave you some links below. If I don't, I apologize for that. I'm just getting caught up here as I come back to this work spot. This is going to be all revamped back here, so this is definitely going to be taken apart, redone, and you'll see what's going to come up in this rack right here. But for now, have a good one, everybody. Take care. Until the next time, stay tuned.